How do flow wrap machines work? At SA Packaging Machinery, our flow wrap machines make it simple. First, loading the products. The items are placed on the conveyor either by hand or with the feeder. Then, moving along the conveyor, the product slides smoothly into the wrapping section. Just to quickly break it down, some flow wrap machines feed film from the bottom and others from the top. Now the machine you're seeing here is a bottom roll machine, so the product's fed from below. For example, products like certain baked goods might use a bottom roll machine, while things like granola bars or candy often use a top roll. It really just depends on what you're packing. Next, wrapping with film. A roll of film is shaped neatly around each product. After that, sealing the package. The machine seals the film along the length and closes the ends. Finally, the finished product. The wrapped item comes out ready for packing, shipping, or display. It's fast, clean, and reliable, making packaging simple and efficient every time. And that wraps up our quick look at flow wrap machines. If you're interested in a flow wrap machine that's tailored to your specific packaging needs and speed, SA Packaging Machinery can help you out. Just check the link at the top of our description or go to sapacman.co.za. Thanks for watching.